Hello and welcome to this very quick public service announcement. Now, as you have probably noticed, very recently, the latest version of EdgeTX has been released. Queen Anne's Revenge, I love the name of it. 2.12 is what it is, and I have been making a couple of videos. I asked a little while ago whether or not some of you wanted to see updates of Queen Anne's Revenge on some radios, and the answer was a resounding yes, so I have been doing that. However, I've also been getting lots of messages from people who have been trying to update their radio and get in a situation where they're really struggling. And invariably when I kind of investigate it with them, it's because many radios these days have a specific thing that you have to do to get the radio into DFU or bootloader status. In the old days, it was easy. You just used to plug the USB cable into the radio when it was unpowered and bingo, you were ready to update. However, things like this Radio Master GX12, you have to press and hold this button on the corner and then briefly press the power button and then you're okay. So I have made a couple of videos updating this GX12 and also the new Radio Master TX16S Mark III. They both have particular wrinkles, so I'll link those below if you're interested. But there is a whole page that explains how you get into bootloader and DFU for your specific radio, and I will put a link to that page down below. So this PSA is just a bit of a heads up really. If you have been playing with EdgeTX, or you're watching videos where, you know, we just plug in the USB cable and away you go, some radios are not that straightforward. So it's worthwhile checking this page before you start your update, and then you won't have a mini heart attack when nothing happens. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.